Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join a person that is not your friend on Roblox. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Roblox account. So I already logged in, so it will take me direct to the home page. Okay, and then you simply need to select the game. So I'm going to select this one. And then simply need to click on servers, and here you can see other servers and you can see different persons that join this. So the only process is that you simply need to click on join, and you can be the part of this server in which they are the people that are not your friends. So this is the only method possible, and you cannot join a specific person till now. So this is the process how to join a person that is not your friend on Roblox. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.